Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the Mix is Maxine. No, I do not know who this mystery lady that they're referring to is, but she is a mystery. Now, Maxine is talking about this mystery lady who allegedly, would have given her tape that was played or given to Lorraine to play. And so it's one bag of mix up over here. And that in itself is more than a mix up. So basically, this lady would have given Maxine some tapes, and Maxine would have played them or given it to Lorraine to play. And, Maxine is talking about this because this would have been um, something from me. No, she's talking about Miss D as well, and she's saying that, fire there must still him think up a cool breeze. So I don't know what she's referring to. You guys have to watch the video and you have to listen carefully to hear what Maxine has to say about this situation and about what Miss D. So we'll catch the video and have yourself a wonderful day.
Because me come out yesterday and they defend my legal rights. Yes, freedom of speech and all of that. Even though I was brought into the situation because certain platforms come out and bust out the finger quote, Mr. Lady. You know the finger quote, so-called Mr. Lady. Nobody can prove, is it really Mr. Lady? Is it this person? Is it that person? I too have been accused of being that person or that person. I'm doing the finger quote here, people. So, because of that video came out, and everybody supposedly run with it, that the reason why I'm gonna call name, because my name was flinged into it, which is a damn lie. That Jennifer Barron, so-called, allegedly, is the mystery lady. They went on as far enough as to say Maxine Foster had received a lot of tapes from the so-called mystery lady, and Maxine Foster passed it on to Lorraine Campbell Brown and Ashanti Solomon Gavin. I never passed on nothing from no so-called mystery lady to anybody. And I wish I had known this from the very first day, but I never know this. So I'm going to say it again. Oh, no, walk on down no fake page them and tell no lie for me. Because me never get nothing from nobody to play anything. Fact still remains. What I'm going to say has nothing to do with whatever tape was played or whatever. And I did not said, I never said it was no, whatever they think I said. I said the recordings that was playing was done a long time ago, because it was a live that was done over by Lorraine. As you know, Lorraine always put out the same thing then. I mean, I would call her no cracker teeth this morning. If you know me, they be very decent with this morning. When Lorraine used to put out the same thing, them and call Dana attention to it, Dana always run come answer. So I was surprised that Dana was clutching her pearls to say, oh, I never hear this, oh, I never hear that, which is a lie, because she have heard every single thing that was played. And why does Dana have the right to come out to come tell the people them say in collect how much money from Western Union with this one here, with that the one there, with that the one, in send list to Western Union? It's not a lie, it's the truth, because she said it. She said it. So why is everybody pretending like it's not have nothing to do with the even so-called mystery lady? We ain't talking about so-called mystery lady right now. Okay. Ain't talking about that. And why for me name we have to throw in there. So all of you who they run come now and say, oh, Dana not talking about you, Dana not this. Oh, fire there must steal and think I could breathe. That's all me have to say. When Dana come ball out, no found don't even hear it. But hold on the 1 minute. Laugh at me. Good morning, Cheryl. Let me tell you something. You no see smoke without you see fire. You no see smoke without you see fire. I'm gonna play a video for you from the woman from Montego Bay with the charity and Miss Ellis and all of that. Because as the all of you know say, I've been down here for 4 months now. And there's not a week that I have not gone to the company office. Oh God, let me find the paper right here. So no, send me down here 4 months now. 4 months. And every week, at least twice, per week, me the inna the people them business place. Cause the Jamaican government passed 3 months ago that every charity, what they call it money, especially, have to be registered. Every single one of them. Every single one of them. Every single one of them have to be registered. And not only do they have to be registered, they will be audited. Every single one of them. All who used to call it money and pretend like they don't know they're going to be audited, they are going to be audited. All who even they come out and say they not do no more charity, it's not because they don't want to do no more charity. Every single thing, even the people them around with the people them money, even them have to go come out on paper. And with this new thing that Jamaica is doing now, only your secretary and yourself, if you are the owner of the charity, the director of the charity, only the two of you. Or if you appointed your accountant to go pick up money through Western Union or MoneyGram or whatever means you pick up money through, only for them name can they on paper. You, if you pay somebody, like how the yang them get paid and everybody get paid, they have to be accounted for because the government don't come for them tax money because of millions of dollars they collected. So the government is going to come after them for their money what they collect. Example, the 100 yen what Dana say, Dana say so, I know me say so. What Dana say collect money for her, all of them went have to file tax on the money because that's a job that they are doing. That's a job that they're doing. So they are going to have to file tax. So whether they want done the charity or they don't want done any charity at all, they are going to have to give account for all of that money that was collected, that was sent out, and all of that. You have to go give accountable or you know what's going to happen. Oh yes, Jamaica changed like you can't even imagine how they change. So for the person who they try to shut me up, How you alone have low volume? How the hell you alone have low volume? And the I. How the hell you alone have low volume? It's very, very high. The both tablets are I. Check your phone. Check your phone and come back. Check your phone. Good morning to you. Check your phone and come back. All of them people, they have to go give accountable for them money, them what they collect them. You understand? All of them have to give accountable for the money them what they collect. It's not have nothing with me, ready eye people for their money. It's not have nothing to do with nothing like that. But fire their must steal, then think I win cool breeze. The video thing them want come out. Never give Dana any right to come out. Because say, oh listen, me I give me money here, money there, money. No. But something is happening. Something is happening in the here. So what I explained to you guys, from it come down here for the how much money, it's one piece of problem. One piece of problem. Because then I give me the run around because they don't expect say somebody who is so transparent like me would have want to come to registered, so then give me the hardest task them, then give me one piece of problem. One piece of problem, me have to cross all my T, that all of the item like literally. Or they come in like literally. So believe me when I tell you, it wasn't an easy task, and like $100,000 down the road to obtain Bella's Bucket of Blessing Limited fully functioning charity. Okay, I'm only going to show you just one of the thing, which is this one. See it here, Bella's Bucket of Blessing Limited, fully registered, fully functioning charity. So for those of you who had charity running forever, 3 months ago, the government said you have to submit in all your documents and everything. Even if you shut the charity down, whatever you had already done, you have to submit it to the people them so they can see that there's no hanky-panky was going on. If you know you don't have no hanky-panky going on, then there won't be no problem. There will be no problem. Alright? So me tell you say the business office, the business office of the company office of Jamaica. When I grew on the company office of Jamaica. Hi cuz, good morning my darling. Thank you so much, sweetheart. The company office of Jamaica, that are one of the company them are so they call themselves. The company's office of Jamaica. Oh my God, then giving me a run for my money. Then give me a run for my money. The people them want up to me eyeball color. The people them want up to me eyeball color. If they couldn't take out my tonsils, then would have take out my tonsils round them. I don't know if me still having my tonsils, might be gone long time. But me say if they couldn't take out my tonsils, then take out it. So enough of you know what say you they run charity, you really have to stop. And all when you stop, you still have to go submit in paper them. Me tell you this, I don't think a joke me I make. You think a joke me they make. So when 99 come out and they ball out who and who get money from who no get money, and Wally send here and Wally send there, it's not just a coincidence. Every one of them do something for a reason. It's not just a coincidence. Believe me when I tell you. And then try to shut up people who come out with the story in every way they can to shut them up. But none of you now buy me out, and none of you now shut me up, because you know we have long enough time to do how they do. And you know evil and wicked, so you go get exposed. You will get exposed, and enough of you will be charged too. Enough of you. So all of the people then where they jump around and come around and they do like they want to shut up people, and like them things say nobody will know big secret out of nobody. The whole of the story they go bust out. It they go bust out. make me first play this. So because I will pass it me I go touch base pan today. So make me go in at this. Make me go in at this you know, like the phone there, the pan this a phone, Lord, me have so much phone. I have to keep me head intact. I'm gonna play a video for you guys. I'm gonna play a video. I'm gonna play a video so you guys